But in British India, two mothers Swaroop Rani and father Motilal Nehru, both parents belonged to the community of Kashmir Pandits or Brahmins, originally from the Kashmir Valley. Motilal, a self-made barrister of wealth, served as president of the Indian National Congress in 1919 and 1928. Swaroop Rani, raised in a family settled in Rohor, was Motilal's second wife, the first having died in childbirth. Jawaharlal was the firstborn. Two sisters followed, the elder of which, Vijayalakshmi, became the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly. The younger, Krishna Hutte Singh, became a noted writer, authoring several books on her brother. Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India, died on May 27, 1964, at the age of 74 in New Delhi. Chacha most famously refers to Nehru. Thank you.